Hi everyone, in this class I'll show you how to take the body measurement for blouse. So following next class I'll show you how to take body measurement for salwar kameez. Let's move on to the video. First we are going to see how to take measurement for blouse. So using this mini dress form I'm going to teach you the measurements. First I'll show you what are the measurements required for the class. So these are the measurements we are going to take now. Please make a note of it. So blouse length, shoulder, chest round, waist round, bust point, under bust point, bust width, armhole, sleeve length, sleeve open, cap height, collar, neck width, neck depth back, neck depth front. So these are the measurements required for blouse making. Okay. So let's start now. So first you are going to take the shoulder measurement. See, for taking the shoulder measurement, you have to take from one end to other end. Okay. So from one end of the shoulder to the other end of the shoulder. What we do usually is, we'll place the tape like this till the slopey place. No, you should not place like that. See, this shoulder goes straight like this and you can see it bends like this. Okay, you have to stop your measurement where the tape bends. Okay, you have to stop the measurement where the tape bends. So from here, okay, from here, from one point, okay, I'm taking from here, see, and you can place the tape and see here automatically the tape flows down. Okay, you have to stop the measurement till here, one end to other end. This is called shoulder measurement. So you have to take one end to other end. Okay. So next, the shoulder measurement is very important. If you take very wide shoulder, what happens? It will droop down. It will not sit on the shoulder. So make sure that you are placing the tape one end to the other end like this. You have to take till here. You can see where the tape flow like this. Okay, got it? Now blouse length. So start from here, from the shoulder here. Start from here and you can just touch and feel till where you want the blouse length. Okay. So this is waist length, but we don't used to wear till waist, right? When you are wearing till waist, it is considered to be crop top. For blouse length, it will be usually till here. Okay. Above the waist length. So you can touch and feel and see. You can take your own self measurement. You can just touch and feel till where you want the blouse length to end. We'll take the chest round first. See, place the tape parallel, okay? So parallel to underarm, we have to place it. And see in the side, the tape passes under the arm like this. And now in the front, you have to place it like this. Don't keep your fingers inside like that. Just keep your tape like this and take the measurement. Here it is 16.5. You can see this is called chest round. Okay. When you take the chest round, the tape should be parallel at back side. See, the tape should be straight. It should not be like this and all. It should be straight. I mean, it should be straight like this. And it should pass under the arm exactly. Don't keep down and all. It should pass under the arm exactly and top like this without keeping the finger. Keep your measurement tape like this and take the measurement. This is called chest round. Now come down. See at back side. Come down little and take the bust round measurement. This is the highest part. This measurement is very important. So when you take the bust round, place the tape like this over the bust. Don't press it, okay? Don't press it. Place the tape over the bust and take it in the side, okay? See, or see back side. I'm placing the tape like this and in the front, just one side of the over the bust, okay? Just one side of the over the bust. Take the measurement like this without, okay? So bring it like this over the bust. That's very important, over the bust, and take the measurement in the side. See, over the bust. Take the measurement in the side without keeping the hands. It is 17, okay? Over the bust. So it is 17, okay? So I'm taking like this. It is 17. Okay. So next waist round. So waist round, you have to take where your blouse ends. So for blouse you have to take, you should not go and take here for the waist round. So this is the cup shape finishing place. Okay, this place. Okay, this place you have to take the waist round. This waist round. Exactly where your blouse ends. Okay, at back side we have taken the blouse length, right? Exactly where the blouse ends. Okay, that is called waist round. Keep the tape parallel. Keep the tape parallel and take the measurement under the bust. Okay, when you are taking the measurement, make it little tight. Okay, little tight, and the measurement is 14. Okay, make it little tight. Okay, for blouse, when you are taking the waist round measurement, you have to make it little tight like this. Exactly below the under bust you have to take, which is 14. Okay, next is bust point. From the shoulder, the highest point of nipple. Okay, so this is the cup shape. The highest point of cup, okay, nipple is called bust point. Highest point of the cup is called bust point. Okay, here it is 5. Under bust point. What is under bust point? That's very important for the blouse to make the waistband. So when you create the waistband, see, when you create the waistband should come like this. Okay, this is where the waistband should come. Okay, so for that you need this distance from here. This is the nipple point. From here you need this distance to give the dot shape. So only then the waistband will be created in that way, so that the band will not roll and go inside for the bigger people, bigger size, healthier peoples. Okay, so the underbust point is very important. If you are not able to take the measurement from the client, we always give the formula in our course how to take the underbust. So from here, like this, where the bust ends, here it is 2 inch, where the bust ends, right? No, here it is 1.5 inch. From the nipple, just place here. Tell them to hold the tape like this, and tell them to hold the tape underneath also. Okay, so this is how you have to take the under bust. Next is bust width. Nipple to nipple distance is called bust width. From this nipple to this nipple distance is called bust width. So this is the midpoint, this is the midpoint, and here the measurement is 3/3/4. Okay, nipple to nipple distance is called bust width. Armhole. So when you are taking the armhole measurement under the arm, okay, see here, the tape should be like this. Over the, don't make it too tight. Okay, over the, see, come like this, come and take it. This is your armhole measurement. Here the armhole measurement is 8. Okay, 7.5. Okay, don't make it too loose or don't make it too tight. 7.5. Okay, the armhole, everything I'll teach you in the one more dress form, sleeve part, everything. You'll see how to take the collar now. Keep your tape like this around the neck. Okay, see, I'm placing around the neck, and keep one finger inside and take the round measurement, that is your collar measurement. Here 7/3/4. One finger inside and take the round measurement, that is called your collar measurement. Neck width. So how to take the neck width is, this will be your center bone. Okay, from the center bone to the, this part is, so very close to the neckline, right? This part is called neck width. So this will be the standard measurement. So when you increase the neck width, few formulas should be applied for that. If you are not able to take the correct neck width, we have a formula related to the collar which will be explained in our online course. Basically, you have to take the neck width in this way only, from here and very close to the neck round is called neck width. Okay, standard neck width. Neck depth. So neck depth, very close to the neckline. Okay, very close to the neckline. Come down. So 4 inch, 3.5, 3 inch, whatever want, you can keep. That is called neck depth for front. And place it like this. Neck depth 4 inch, 5 inch, 6 inch, whatever you want, you can keep. This is neck depth for back. So this is how you will take the measurement for blouse. Next, I'll show you how to take the measurement for salwar. After that, I'll show you how to take the measurement for sleeve, because taking measurement for sleeve is common for both blouse and salwar. Okay, in next video, I'll show you how to take the measurement for salwar. Thank you.